I want to welcome you to 931 Peterman Road. It's a must-see. It is immaculate, functional, and one-of-a-kind property. Let's go take a look. This family home offers something for everyone. With nearly 2.5 acres of privacy, gorgeously manicured yet easy care lawn, has incredible mountain views for the most amazing sunrises, a garage, workshops, greenhouse, goldfish pond, and beautiful updates. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom luxury home has a European feel and has been beautifully updated with Venetian-style paint throughout, tasteful flooring, hardwood, luxury vinyl and carpet, appliances, lighting, the bathrooms, and so much more. You will be wowed walking onto the main floor, featuring beautiful foyer, a sitting area, a living room with a pellet stove and high ceilings, a gorgeous, spacious and bright kitchen with an island that opens up into the dining room, which flows right to the back deck. It could not be more perfect for entertaining and enjoying your private oasis. The upstairs has 3 large bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a stunning master bedroom with an ensuite which has a soaker jetted tub, a rain shower, a window with a view, and a walk-in closet. This piece of paradise is private and quiet on a no-through road, yet only 15 minutes to town for shopping, groceries, restaurants, hospital, the rec center, and so much more. I'm Deanna Kleina with Stonehouse Realty. For more information, feel free to reach out at 604-789-8202.